Okay, hello everyone. Today I'll be showing it's me Tony Tutorial Help Tony here, and today I'll be showing you how to make a cursor. Cursor, yeah, that's right, cursor. Own virtual cursor for your computer. You'll need Iconart, for sure, and if you have Fireworks, you can use that too. First of all, if you want to download Iconart, go to your internet browser. Uh, go to the link in description, and this is the page that you come on for Iconart. Click download now, and then the download starts, and then you click save and wait. Okay. And then just click run, and it'll launch your setup and all that. Now it's checking. Well, I do have it, so yeah, just click when this comes, click next. I agree. Next. uh Next, next, and it'll be done in no time. And then, well, you don't need a thing, but just click exit installer, and then click finish, or you can run Iconart now. Let's do that. So this is Iconart. So in Iconart you can make your own cursor. Just click this thing here. For colors, you can just click any color you want to use, and that's the color it draws with. Okay. So I'm just gonna be using black. So let's say if you want to make a cursor, uh, well, if you like DS's or something, make a cursor called DS. Yes, I'm screwing it up, but yeah, DS. Okay, so this is just a normal cursor. Go here, set hotspot, and then take this thing to the pointy top on top, or else you'll have to click in the middle to get it to click. So this is the part where it clicks right now. Then just click File, Save Frame as Cursor. Okay, I'm gonna do that again for some reason. There we go. So I'm just gonna save it in my place. Wait, where's the desktop? Okay, cursor and logos. Okay, I'm just gonna save it in there. And cursors. DS. Just click save. And then you can go to your control panel. And then your mouse settings. Okay, if you have the control panel home view, then you click mouse over here, and then click pointers. Okay, whatever. And then you click this thing and go to wherever you saved that cursor as frame as a cursor thing. And then cursors, DS, and then you click and you get DS. And then click yes, and then click OK. And there you go, you have a cursor, DS. So now if you want to make a professional cursor, this is what you gotta do. I'm gonna change that back to my original cursor. It's default for now. And click OK. Well, so if you want to make a real good cursor, click new project, or yeah, whatever. Click effect. So now you should open up Fireworks if you have Fireworks to make a better version of the thing. Click open. Oh, I'm just gonna do it this way, cause yeah, just open it up. sorry it's gonna take a bit of time because it's just slow on Vista. Okay, there. Initializing stuff. Okay, so here you have it. You click new document and make it 32 by 32 and open up this thing, your Iconart. Click here. Oh, wait. Open both on the side. Make it 32 by 32 again. Click here and click the mask color over here. And then it changes it to the mask color that you have on your Iconart, which is a cool feature. And then click OK. And now we'll be leaving Iconart for now for a bit time. And here, make it from 100 to maybe 800. So you got good time to put your stuff there now. It's not small to edit it, so it's better. Now go maybe look, so you just wanna go to the lips tool and make a circle first. Like this. Oh God. And then you can add like the things like you did on your icon. And this time I'm gonna add line here. Okay, so now you got that, right? You can go here again, go to the L shape, and make the L shape as the pointy thingy on the top. Let's make the thing. Oh. And then you can type in text. Hola. I'm gonna type in, well, 20. Yes, I know the text is blurry here, but trust me, it won't be blurry on the cursor. It's just because we maxed it out. God. Okay, 20. TTH 20. Oh, God. I'm just gonna make it 7. 11. It's kind of good. So yeah, and then you can change the colors. And you can add effects to it, but recommend forget about it. And then you just go click save. Or save as, sorry. And then name it something like hi, and then save it as BMP. Don't save it as PNG, save it as BMP. Click save. Now it's time to go to Iconart. In Iconart, click file, import from file. And then, okay, where did I save it? Wait. And logos, okay. Forgot about it. Go to file, import from file, go to the folder you saved it in. And I got hi. So this is the thing here. This is like just the right side. So you just click the check mark here. And holy, text is blurry. Okay, so that's just what you do. You can just fix the text up, but I got it messed up, but I don't want to go do it again. And that, so wait. So, and then once you get the right text, you just come here, put the thing to 1:1, click save frame as cursor, and then name it 20 TTH 20. Oh, it might be okay after all. And then you go back to control panel. your mouse settings. Oh wait, I forgot. Oh yeah, if you have the classic view, like this, yeah, this is the time to do that. Click mouse over here, and then go to pointers. Click here, desktop. It just got messed up again. Desktop, and then cursors and logos, 20 TTH20. Get that? Click apply. Yes, and there you have it. Okay, it is blurry. So that's just how you get it. Then now just click off and on. So that's just how to make a cursor.